we are working on the employee database, right? Show databases. I'm just typing this show databases. So we are working on the employee database. So I'm going to use this database. So use employee. So the now database has been changed, and I'm going to write the command show tables. Show tables will be showing the tables under this employee database. So we are having 4 tables here: coach, department, employees, sports, players, and toy shop. So now we can select EMP. Select star from EMP. So now we are working on the employee table. So this is your employee table. Okay. So I'm going to give the command to arrange the gross. So to arrange the gross value or any column, okay, in ascending order or descending order. For that, I'm going to write the command select star from EMP, okay, from the table name, order by, and the column name which you are going to make in ascending order or descending order. I'm going to write grade. So here, select star from employee, order by grade. So the order by grade in the sense, it has been ordering the grade from R1 to R5. So here it is R5, R4. So it is not arranged. But when I am giving order by clause, it is defaultly working in ascending order. Without the ASC keyword, it will work in ascending order. So order by grade. So the grade column is in ascending order. So according to this grade, all the details are getting corrected, okay, according to the row wise. Suppose if I am giving DESC, so order by grade in DESC. So this will produce a result in descending order, and it should be order the grade in the descending order. According to that, the data are getting matched. Okay, so if I am giving order by grade ASC, so ASC in the sense ascending order correct keyword. So the keyword for ascending order is ASC. So without ASC keyword, the order by clause itself will working in the ascending order, but no need to specify this ASC. So if you specify also, there is no problem, but you should know ASC is the keyword for making that in an ascending order, okay, particular column in an ascending order. So we can select more number of columns. Instead of star, I am going to select the column list like emp name. Okay, emp name, it should get emp name from emp order by grade. So according to the grade, it is getting ordered. EMP is getting ordered. So now emp name, comma, grade, comma, gross. So first column is emp name. According to the grade, I have put it in the ascending order, and gross value for each and every person. Suppose I am going to order it by gross. So this gross value is getting in ascending order. According to that, the data is getting transferred. So see here, the Nisha is 1000. So the 1000 is the here, and null value comes on the top level. Okay, null value is for Kanishka. So this is your order by clause. So the next one is your aggregate functions. So I will show you the table once again. Select star from EMP. I will work on the aggregate function now. For that, I am going to write the command select AVG. What is AVG? AVG is your column name. AVG is your aggregate function. Okay. So then after that, you can add the column name, which average you should need. So average of gross. Select average of gross from the table name EMP. So it will count the average of gross from the EMP. The next aggregate function is count. Select count. You can give the column name here or else you can name. Okay, column name you can check here. You can give the gender from EMP. So it will count and say the number of genders 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Suppose count star of EMP. It is also the number of persons according to the rows. The next count of DOB. 0 because it contains null values. The next is max function. Select max of particular column. I'm going to select department number. Select max of department number from EMP. So maximum of department number, it is 40. So the maximum number it will take and display. Okay, and min of department number. So here what is min? The minimum number it will get and display. So the minimum number here in the department number is 10. So it will display the 10. So the next is sum. We can do the sum of a particular column by using the sum function. Sum of department number. So we can add all those and the sum is 130. We can sum the gross value also. So gross, sum of gross from EMP is 25,906, but average is 5,181.2000. Okay, so this is the aggregate functions available in the SQL. So the next is types of SQL functions. Under that we are having two types, single row functions and multiple row or group functions. So the group functions are nothing but we can use the group by clause. Under the group by clause we'll be using the having clause. So we have already seen in the class. So first I will be working on the group functions group by. Okay. For that I'm going to select star. Okay, first column you should select. So which column you should group by? So this I'm going to select grade here. Select grade, comma count star. Select grade, comma count star from the table name EMP, and you should use group by clause between one space, group by grade. So this column is counting number of grades, how many times it is occurring in the particular column. So here R5 is occurring 2 times. Yeah. So R5 is occurring 2 times, R4 is 1 time, R3 is 2 times, and R1 is 1 time. So that is the thing it is showing here. So this is the group by function. And inside the group by function, we will be using the having clause. So select grade, comma count star from EMP, group by grade. Okay, group by grade, and I am using having clause. Having grade is equal to or anything, having count star. Okay, I'm going to select count star greater than 1. So we are having count star greater than 1 in 2 columns. So 2 rows R5 and R3, that is going to display. So it is greater than 1, it occurred 2 times. So inside a particular column, it will count the number of times it is occurring. Okay. So group by and having clause will occur in only one statement. Okay. So if you are going to give the having clause, then you should use the group by functions. So the having clause, what it will do means it will place such conditions on groups. Okay, but where clause will be placing the conditions only on the individual rows. Having clause will be placing the condition only on the group of columns, but in where clause it will be placing the condition only on the individual rows. Okay, but in where clause we will not include the aggregate functions, but in having clause we will be using the aggregate functions. So the next is joins. The main topic is joins in my SQL. I'm going to show the tables under this employee database. Show tables. So these are the tables we are having. Suppose if I am selecting select star from EMP below and select star from DPT department. Okay, I'm going to join these two tables, employee table and the department table. So here the department number in department table is your primary key, but whereas in employee table, EMP table, department number is your foreign key. Understand that point? The next thing is we are going to join this without a join query. For that, just select star from department. Okay, just write EMP, comma, DEPT. So by using the comma separator, and we are writing the two tables here, just join the tables. So if we are joining these two tables, then one row of the first table will be multiplied to all the rows in the second table. So it will get multiplied for all the rows. So totally we are having 24 rows. Okay, so 6 4s are 24. In A table we are having 6 rows, and in B table we are having 4 rows. So 6 4s are 24. See here we are having these details in the join query. But if we use the join condition, suppose if I am using the join condition here, we can use by using the natural join, and we are having equi-join, and we are having some join query by doing it in the shortcut way. So all those things I have taught you. So select star from EMP by using just I am typing join here. The same thing will be getting displayed. Okay, with join and without join. If you are using this join query, then this is not a Cartesian product. Okay, so here I have not used the join query, just I have separated the two tables by using the commas. So then it is called as a Cartesian product. When join query is used, then it is not a Cartesian product. So the next thing is we are going to use equi-join. Okay, for that I am going to select column list. Select star from EMP, comma, DEPT. So select star from table 1 and table 2. Okay, in the star we can have any columns, number of columns we can name it here from table 1 and table 2. Okay, after that you should use where clause, where the common column it is getting shared here, it is what? Department number. So the common column it is getting shared in both the table is department number. So by using this department name column, department num column, DEP NUM column, we are going to join these two tables. So EMP dot DEP name is equal to then DEPT table 2 dot DEP name. DEP num num. Okay. Then again the table 2 dot department number num. Okay, this is called as an equi-join. Whenever we are using this equal to, then it is called as an equi-join. So in the case of equi-join, we are having two set of columns as department number and department number. See here 10 and 10. So both these things are equal, right?